starting to rain. Oh my goodness. Welcome to my second video here from Livorno, and in this video I'm going to take a walk up to the Piazza della Republica and try and find the cathedral as well. But I'm starting down here by the docks and this rather impressive statue behind me. It's called the Monumento di Quatro Mori, built in 1595 to 1599 to commemorate the victory of Ferdinand I of Tuscany over the Ottomans. And the four statues around the side, well, they were added in 1626, and the sculptor was a man called Pietro Tacca, and it's rather lovely, rather lovely. See Ferdinand standing proud looking over the marina, and the four slaves around the side. Slavery was ripe in Europe at that time, and so many cultures and so many countries have slavery in their backgrounds. But it's nice to see monuments to slavery so that we don't forget the hardship these people endured whilst in captivity. But let's head on now and follow the routes of the waterways here and see what we can discover on the way up to the cathedral and the Piazza della Republica. And this is the back end of the cathedral. It's rather impressive. It's built as a Catholic church by the Medici family back in 1594. It's enlarged between 1716 and 1720 and became a cathedral back in 1806. Really is very splendid. But it got destroyed during the Second World War. There's still a little part of the old cathedral here on the right hand side, little doorway. Must have been very impressive in its day. Get across the road, and it's a shame it's still unfinished today apparently. So let's just walk along the front here, walk down to the front of the cathedral and see if we can take a look inside. I'm not looking at cathedrals, but as it's unfinished, I don't know if it's actually in use or not. It probably is, but it's just that the building work is probably unfinished. Let's walk around the front and see if it's open. And it's closed. Oh no, it's not my day. It really isn't. I love looking around cathedrals, and it's closed. But what a beautiful ornate front the cathedral has, and it's such a shame. And the grand marketplace here really is very beautiful here. Very busy as well, lots of people around, lots of cars badly parked. There we go. Oh, that's a shame. But let's see what else we can discover here in Livorno, up to the Piazza della Republica. Been having another walk around the Fossa Reale, looking at all the boats. Really is lovely. Shame about the weather, it's a bit cloudy and it's very windy in parts. Check the weather forecast. It's actually blustering between 40 and 50 miles an hour today. That's not good at all. Let's get across this road and take a look at the statue that's in the middle. Camillo Benso, Conte di Cavour. Wonderful. Camillo Paolo Filipino Giulio Benso, to give him his real name, his full name. Count of Cavour, known generally as Cavour. Was an Italian politician, businessman, economist, noble, and he played a significant part in the reunification, or the unification I should say, of modern day Italy. Because Italy was all provinces up until the unification. Oh dear. And he, along with Victor Emmanuel, who we saw yesterday at the square in Pisa, were responsible for creating modern day Italy. And there's a beautiful statue of him there as well. He was born in Turin on the 10th of August 1810, and he died in Turin on the 6th of June 1861. And what a beautiful statue it is. Absolutely wonderful. But now let's see what else we can discover here in Livorno on the way up to the Piazza della Republica. Della Republica. What a fantastic open space this is. And it's starting to rain. Oh my goodness. I put up with the wind all day and now it's starting to rain. Oh, it's not my day today, it really isn't. But there are two fantastic statues here in the piazza. And I'm not sure which one is which, but I think one of them is Leopold III. He was born in Florence on the 3rd of October 1797 and died in Rome on the 29th of January 1870. And he was the Grand Duke of Tuscany from 1824 to 1859. And the other is Grand Duke Ferdinand III. Now he was Grand Duke of Tuscany from 1790 to 1801. And again from 1814 to 1824. Gosh, wind's picking up a little bit. Oh my goodness me. And he was born in Florence on the 6th of May 1769 and died in Florence on the 18th of June 1824. And two magnificent statues. Absolutely wonderful. Some lovely old lampposts around the side of the piazza as well. I did have a look to see if there are any dates on there, but I couldn't see any. And there's no other marks on them at all. But I spotted some other similar designs around Livorno, and they had a local mark on them from a local foundry. So perhaps they are more modern reproductions. And there's also some shorter, I don't know what you call them, type bollards, metal bollards around the side of the piazza. And they have rings on the outside. I think they were probably for tying up horse and carts or horses in years gone by. They've all really rusted and seen better days. I think they've been here a long time. And nice to see those still in situ. But yeah, what a beautiful statue. And the pigeons have made this one their home. There we go. It's absolutely delightful here, it really is. It stopped raining. It stopped raining. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Never mind. At least it stopped raining. So there we have it. Little tour of around the waterways, Fosso Reale, and just a shame that the cathedral was closed. I'd love to have shown you the inside of the cathedral, and maybe on my return to Livorno, perhaps the weather will be kinder and I'm going to show you a lot more. But this is where I end the video. Tomorrow I got another day here in Livorno, and I'm going to explore a little further along the back streets and head down to the aquarium which is on the coast. So I'm really looking forward to that tomorrow, and hopefully that'll be open. And we'll find out tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow my journey, because there is plenty more to come. And we'll see you tomorrow.